Hello, I'm Tatiana Thompson. Let me introduce you to our Squirrel Buster line of bird feeders. With over 4 million satisfied customers and 6,000 five-star reviews on Amazon, we are the only truly squirrel-proof bird feeders on the market. So what makes us so special? Well, we care a lot about our customers, so we give you lifetime care on all our products. We've also created a series of how-to videos for each product, and our amazing customer care is always there to answer your questions about birds and bird feeding. All you have to do is give us a call on 1-800-856-5685 or send us an email on info@brownbirdcare.com. We design our products with our planet in mind. These feeders are built to last a lifetime, and all parts are recyclable. All Squirrel Busters work the same way. When a squirrel gets onto the feeder, its weight closes the shroud, cutting off access to seed. The seed ventilation system in each feeder keeps your seed fresh longer, attracting more birds. So now you can enjoy squirrel-free bird feeding.